Meaning of gabion.
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 gabion,
Gabion. A gabion is a cage-like structure made of wire mesh or other materials that is filled with rocks or other materials for use in civil engineering and construction projects. The term gabion comes from the Italian word gabion, which means big cage. Gabions can be used for various purposes, including erosion control, retaining walls, and as a decorative element in landscaping. They are also sometimes used in military applications, such as to provide protection from gunfire. Overall, gabions are a versatile and effective solution for a wide range of civil and construction projects.